Once again, our patient has made her way to the foot of the bed, and I'm here all alone. So I'm getting ready to show you how to do a one-person lift with the lift sheet. Okay, so the bed, you want to get the bed away from the wall, and it's usually done by taking the brakes off and locking the bed. So I'm going to have Sharon take her arms, if she can, and just pull them up off the bed so that they're not hanging on the bed. It just makes the lift a little better. And Sharon, I'm going to have move your pillow up, and then I'm going to take the corners and roll them in, and then on the count of 3, I'm going to brace myself, and on the count of 3, I'm going to raise you up. And this can be done in increments. It doesn't have to be one long pull, but you just do it so that the patient's comfortable and you're comfortable, and protect your back. So on the count of 3, I'm going to start raising you up. And thank you for lifting your head. You got a good memory. Okay, on the count of 3, I'm going to start. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I think you want to be up a little bit higher. Okay, so on the count of 3, we're going to try that one more time. 1, 2, 3. Is that comfortable? So I'm going to straighten your pillows out, and I'm going to get these wrinkles out of your shoulders, and I'm going to place your pillow under. Okay, there we go. And I'm going to try to get all these wrinkles out, straighten everything out, and then we'll raise you up for your comfort. There you go. Do you feel the wrinkles out? Okay. So then I'm going to raise your feet up first. And that's just a little bit. Just when we raise your head, it'll prevent you from sliding. How is that? That feel okay? So then the rest, I'll bring you up and you tell me how much to go, okay?